Welcome to the brand new 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. The AT4 is powered by a 6.2 liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior here, power windows, locks, and mirrors, memory seating, drivability dial, push button 4x4, automatic headlights and fog lights, heads-up display controls, a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with paddle shifters, cruise control, and audio controls. We do have a 13.4-inch touchscreen using the Google operating system, Google Maps, Google Play Store, Google Assistant, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, both available as well. Dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated seating. Massive ignition start there, can't miss it. Lane keep assist, parking sensors, your automatic shifter knob. We do have our integrated child braking system. We have the all black interior with Bose audio, as well as the black leather heated and ventilated Kalahari accented AT4 seating up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the GMC Sierra AT4, we do have the 20-inch wheel and tire package, beautiful black alloy wheels with a machined face, and the brand new Goodyear Wrangler Territory MT tires. Coming down the side, we have color matched door handles, keyless entry, AT4 badging on the front door, blacked out mirror caps with a camera system, as well as 6.2 liter V8 plaque on the front fender. The AT4 comes with a factory 2-inch lift up front, making room for the big wheel and tire packages. Coming to the front of the truck, we do have the AT4 branded grille, parking sensors, camera system, red recovery hooks, as well as fog lights and LED daytime running lamps, all up front. Making our way to the side here, crew cab, rear tinted privacy windows, and blacked out window trim. Towards the back of the truck, we do have a color matched rear bumper, trailer tow package, LED brake lights, dual chrome exhaust tips, and the GM MultiPro tailgate. In the interior of the Sierra AT4, second row leather 60/40 split, both end seats are heated, in-seat storage as well, a sliding rear window with defrost, extra headroom over top with LED lighting, and a single pane sunroof, 3-stage heated seat controls and USB ports in the back of the center console, crew cab truck, so tons of room in the rear. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2022 GMC Sierra AT4. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.